Hi guys, today I'm at Idalon Nature Preserve. This is located just outside of Great Cacapon, West Virginia. I've actually never been to this preserve and I just found out about it this morning, so booked a trip over to here and I'm gonna go see what we can find. Hi guys, so I just want to stop and show you this tree. This is an American chestnut tree. Now these guys used to be abundant, but unfortunately there's a fungal disease called the chestnut blight that has just been affecting all of these trees and eventually killing them. So as you can see, there's a stump of the old tree here and these are new trees coming up, and unfortunately someday these are probably going to be affected by it as well. But it's a really rare treat to see this, so it's in this preserve. If you happen to see it, you should stop and get a picture. It is a really good tree.